Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I really just wanted to take some time and kind of talk to you guys how I plan on losing weight. I don't like saying that, but I mean basically that is my ultimate goal, and just to be healthy and just be in shape. So I just wanted to share rewind. I just really wanted to share with you guys all the tips and tricks basically that I'm learning along the way that have helped me. This is my first week really kicking my butt in gear and doing a diet basically. And I don't really call it a diet, but just basically living healthier. And I've lost 1.5 pounds already, and it's been a week. Not even, like, it's been less than a week. So I just want to share with you guys kind of some of the stuff that I've been doing. So let's jump right in. So the first thing I'm going to share with you guys is little things that I do outside of the apps that help me. I do have like 4 or 5 apps that I use that actually have helped me stay motivated and have helped me be accountable for the foods and drinks that I eat throughout the day. But before I dive into that, the first thing that I want to share with you guys is something that my professor actually showed me during my nutrition course. She showed us this, and she said that she took it and she lost like 50 pounds. Like, it's helped her, like, obviously along with exercising and eating healthy, but this like helped her. So I'm like, why not take it? So it is chromium, I can't say it, picolinate. I don't really know. I'll show you guys the bottle. This is what it is. So it basically has active melt. That's not what it is. That just means it melts in your mouth. It has the cinnamon bun flavor. Basically, I just take one every morning on an empty stomach. I pop it in my mouth, it dissolves, wash it down with some water. I mean, it's super easy to take. They're really small. And yeah, it's literally just like chromium. That's all that's in it. It's just one little tablet. So the only reason I really take this is because my professor said that it helped her with weight loss a lot. So I just figured I should try it. So that's just something that I take to kind of kickstart, I guess, my immune system, my metabolism, everything. And another thing I want to talk about is water. Drinking a bunch of water throughout the day. One of the apps I will show you eventually, I track my water through it, which keeps me accountable and motivates me to drink more water throughout the day. So I use that. But drinking water just helps you stay full throughout the day. I mean, if you have 3 big meals throughout the day, in between those meals, you're gonna get hungry. I mean, you're gonna want to be craving sweets and everything and sugars. So drinking that water will help keep your stomach full, and it'll help you not snack on unhealthy foods. But if you, I have the hiccups. But if you are actually hungry, just do alternative snacks that are healthier. So next, I am going to show you guys the apps that I use. So first of all, I joined Orange Theory. If you don't know what that is, it's like a fitness program. I love it. I had my first class a couple days ago. Yesterday, actually. The day I'm filming this, yesterday. I absolutely loved it. Like, everyone there is so welcoming, motivational, just super nice, and they make you feel like your goals are, you know, like you're able to accomplish your goals. Like, it's not like they're like, oh, like, you can't do that. Like, you won't be able to lose that many pounds or whatever. Like, they're just very motivational and inspirational, and I loved it there. Went with one of my best friends, and we just had like the best time. And I'm usually not a runner, and one of the cycles was running, and I mean, it was so much fun. Like, I actually had fun running. But anyway, so I joined Orange Theory. I love it. So the first app that I have is the Orange Theory app. If you are in Orange Theory, you know that it tracks all your workout stuff if you wear a heart monitor. So I can kind of show you guys, it breaks down how my first workout went. So during my first workout, I burned 743 calories. I mean, that's a lot of calories to burn in an hour workout, I think. And I do have a high heart rate to begin with, but my average heart rate was 184 and my max heart rate was 204. And I'm not lying. That's literally what it says. Like, crazy, I know. And it said that I used like 95% of my max effort. So like, obviously I was working really hard. Like 100% I would have been like, done. But so I think that was really cool. So if you are in Orange Theory, like definitely check out that app. Like you kind of need to have it basically. But yeah. The next app that I have, I only do Orange Theory maybe like 2 to 3 times a week. So I do work out on my own at the gym on those other days of the week. Whether it's hot yoga, a Beachbody on Demand video, or going to the actual gym and doing cardio and weights. But when it comes to ab workouts, like I love incorporating those into my workout because that is obviously a place where we all want to lose weight and be toned. So I have this app. It's called Abs and Core. If you can see it, it is this one right here. It's great. When you open it, it has like a bunch of different options for you. So absolutely awesome. Back strength or complete core. Now you can like upgrade and get access to more workouts. I just don't, since I don't use the app that often. But basically if I press like complete core, you can decide how many minutes you want it to be, whether more or less. And then you begin the workout, and then it just like gives you a workout. Boom. And like it's talking. It'll like tell you what each workout is and how long you should do it. And it gives you obviously a demonstration of the person doing it. That way you know how to do the workout. So I actually really like that app. And if you find a workout while you're doing it that you don't like, or you just can't do it, you can skip it, but the time won't skip. So you can skip a workout, but the time will still remain where it's at. That way you're not losing out on the minutes that you want to spend doing ab workouts. So I like that. One of the next apps I'm going to show you is MyPlate. It is this one right down here. It's basically a food tracking app. I have downloaded so many of these in my past because I've always tried to like keep track of what I eat, and it's just hard. I mean, does anyone else agree? Like you eat it, boom, you have to track it. I don't know, I think it's so hard, but I decided to do that again because it keeps me accountable for what I'm eating. The way I think of it is, if I'm about to eat a Rice Krispie bar, I'm thinking, wait, I'm gonna have to put that in my app and it's gonna count as calories. No matter what, it counts, but if you don't track it, you're not gonna really think about yourself as getting those calories. You're gonna think, oh, it's fine, like, I'll just have one. Well, you put it into the app and you see how many calories it actually adds up to and how little you have left to eat for the day. I mean, it's just crazy. I don't know. It's a really mind over matter thing where it just helps, I think. But anyway, in the app, it'll break down your entire gender, age, weight, height, everything, and you can decide on what your goal is for fitness and healthy eating, and then how many calories you kind of want in a day, and it helps you create this calorie block basically and break down how many fats, carbs, and proteins, so all your macronutrients, how many you should have. So it's amazing. So you have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. So you will log in what you eat, and they'll have some regenerated ones too. So you can even scan barcodes and like it'll pop right up, so that way you don't have to try and search for the item that you ate. And then here is where you can track your water. So today I have had 6 glasses, not that much for it being 3:57. So I do need to kick up my water right now, but it's kind of a goal, so you can see like it even moves, but it'll keep going up the more water you drink. So you want it to get to that top. And then you enter your weight, how much you weigh, and then you can enter like a manual exercise. Now the one thing I love about this app is that it coordinates with other apps, if that makes sense. So I'll get to this later, but I have an Apple Watch. So when I'm working out, my Apple Watch knows that I'm working out because my heart rate is at a certain level. So that makes it so my phone knows I'm working out, I'm exercising, and it'll know how long for. And it automatically generates all of those calories burned into this My Plate app. So I absolutely love that this app, and a couple other ones I will show you later on, it all coordinates with it. So I love that. But yeah, you can update your weight for this. And as you can see right here, it gives you a little pie chart about how many fats, carbs, and proteins you've ate today and just how it compares to your diet. And you can even break it down even more. It'll go into trans fats, saturated fats, everything, cholesterol. It's really great for you wanting to know exactly what you're putting in your body and realizing what you're eating. So that is why I love this app. I actually upgraded to the gold member. You pay $3.75 a month, but you do get more access to things in the app, such as different healthy recipes that you can eat and make. You also have workouts in this app. So they have a lot of 10, 5, 9, 7-minute app workouts. So you can scroll through all those, find a workout that you want to do. And they even can provide you like a meal plan. So you can kind of start that if you want, which is kind of fun. So yeah, I love that. And it'll track all your progress. So that is a app that I have really found helpful through this journey. I guess the next one I'll talk about is my Apple Watch. I haven't worn my Apple Watch. It's actually my boyfriend's. He got it for me. Or it was his, and then he never used it, so he gave it to me. So it's like mine now. But anyway, I haven't worn it since my like senior year of high school. So 2 years. And the only reason I truly liked the Apple Watch is because it tracked my calories burned and my heart rate and all of that. So I decided to wear it again. So here's my Apple Watch. And obviously it comes with the health app that is on all iPhones. It tracks how many calories you've burned, your steps, how long you've exercised today, how long you've been standing, which is really cool. And like I said, in this health app, it'll also link in with my MyPlate app. So it does show me all of the macronutrients and all that broken down in this app as well. So I don't do too much with this health app, but it does, I mean, it's basically like my Apple Watch. So I don't really think of that as an app, but having this Apple Watch has helped me a lot because it kept track of my heart rate and how many calories I burn just sitting here throughout the day. That way I'm not thinking, well, I burned 743 calories at working out, but how many did I burn just throughout the day? Because obviously you're not just burning calories when you work out. Throughout the day, your metabolism is constantly burning calories. So you do want to include those in when you're thinking of how many calories you're eating too, because that will give you like a net. So then you know if you're over your calories or under. The final app that I do want to show you guys, it's actually like a scale. So I bought this scale. It's called the Weight Guru's scale. It was like $60 at Target. Literally, this is the best scale I've ever gotten. Like, I absolutely love it. So it comes with it has like an app. So you download the app, you sync your scale to your app, and each time, like, I weigh every morning. So I weighed myself yesterday morning, and boom, your phone gets a notification saying like your weight, blah blah blah, has been tracked. So then immediately in your app, it keeps track of what you have weighed yourself. It's amazing. So this morning I weighed myself again, boom, got a notification of what my weight was. And so here is what the app looks like. It is right here. I don't want to show you guys my weight. I mean, that's just like a little personal. But I lost 1.5 pounds so far. So it tracked that. So I'm like 10% to my goal. And it'll tell you like how close you are to your goal. Because also when you sign in with this app, you obviously add your age, height, your weight at the time. You'll weigh yourself when you do it, your gender. And that way the scale just knows who you are. If you're like, if you put male in there and I was the one weighing myself, it's going to be off because it also measures your body fat, muscle mass, water weight, and your BMI. That is why this scale is so nice, because on a normal scale, you're only getting your weight. And it's important to know what percentage of your weight is actual fat, because honestly, a majority of it could be muscle. So I'm going to tell you guys what my stuff is. This is how you know I love you guys, because I'm going to tell you. So I'm 28.9% body fat. What's up? But I'm 33.6% muscle mass. It's pretty good. Could be better. And then I'm 48.8% water weight. Like, how crazy is that? Most of your weight is freaking water weight. I just think that's crazy. But yeah. And then it also gives you your BMI. So my BMI, it's a 26, which means I'm like 1 point over, so I'm considered overweight. But like, I'm literally 1 point over. Like, it doesn't even count. Like, it's not fair. But anyway, it also gives you your bone mass as well, but it says it on the scale. For some reason, I can't find it on the app. But yeah, I absolutely love that scale. I think it's really cool that it breaks it down for you, because normally you'd have to go to like a nutrition therapist to be able to get information like that about your body. So I think having a scale like that can really help. That way you just have a better understanding of where your weight's truly coming from. So those are the apps that I absolutely love. They've helped me a lot through this journey so far, so I'm excited to keep using them. And yeah, if you guys have any other questions, make sure just to comment below. I will comment back. Always do. And I think I'm gonna kind of keep you guys updated on my journey to health. I'm down 1.5 pounds. Gotta be excited, right? Gotta flaunt that. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. So yeah. Deuces.